Great volunteers here on Rogers TV as we celebrate National Volunteer Week. We'd like to introduce you to Paul Rhodes. Paul, come on in here, buddy. Paul usually does floor for us. He's our floor director here on Daytime Auto. You've worked a few different positions, though, haven't you, Paul? But floor directing's
floor
your
directing
thing, right?
and CG.
What do you like? What position do you like most?
I like floor directing.
And why?
Well, it's where the action is, I guess. Not that there isn't any in the control room. There's often lots of action in the control room.
Some of the action you don't want to be a part of when that yelling starts.
No, I like meeting the guests, and yeah.
And Paul, I don't know if everyone out there knows this about you, but you are a true Renaissance man. There are so many different things that you do. Just name off some of your hobbies.
Oh, well, I like my motorcycle.
Yeah.
I like my tennis. I have some apps on the iTunes store. Just things like.
And a great sense of humor. He's got a great wit about him, and he jokes with Lois and I constantly, and we love that part of you. No, but it's true. You keep everything light and everybody having
make it
fun.
so much fun.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
I hope so.
You want to help draw a name here for us, Paul?
Sure.
We've got a great giveaway courtesy of the Body Shop today. The Summer Glow package, we're calling it, just down here right beside Paul.
Yeah, complete with a pair of Habianas.
Derek Fay.
Oh,
hey! Wait a minute, I can't wait. How did my name get in there? What's going on?
Sorry, Jessica. It's Jessica Mardila. Mardila.
All right, show that to Heather on camera one, because our friends in our Department of Law, our lawyers, want us to show that. There you go. Congratulations, Jessica. Everything you need for the summer here.
You're gonna smell great, look great. You're gonna have that beautiful glow. You two, I mean.
You smell great too, Paul. And what a
I do my
beautiful
best.
glow
I
about
do
you.
my best.
Paul, thanks so much for
Thanks
everything
a lot.
you do. We really love having
No, I
you here.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, Paul really makes it so much fun.
He does. And you know what? If you're interested in becoming a volunteer here at Rogers TV, we have a lot of different programming, a lot of mobiles as well, OHL